I'm Rose Katz from Ceramic Materials Workshop. For over 25 years, my husband Matt and I have partnered with ceramic manufacturing, large and small, to tackle the toughest production challenges with science-driven solutions. Are you struggling with glaze failures, cracking clay bodies, inconsistent results? Whether you're a ceramic artist or part of a large-scale manufacturing operation, we offer flexible, customized consulting services to help solve your unique problems. Our team specializes in diagnosing production flaws, optimizing materials, and helping you scale for future growth. We also provide valuable community resources like a used equipment database, employee training programs, and scholarships for our courses, supporting the entire ceramic industry, from individual artists to major manufacturers. At Ceramic Materials Workshop, we're not just solving problems, we're helping build a stronger, more efficient process for the future. Let's solve your ceramic challenges together. Email us at info@ceramicmaterialsworkshop.com. Your ceramics deserves the best, and we're here to deliver.